Hello, how are you? Last time we talked about the three types of soil: sand soil, clay soil, and silt soil. And we talked about the difference between them. We also discussed the drainage of water through them. Today we will continue talking about the properties of soils. First, we will show the difference between the size of particles of sand, silt, and clay soils. Let's see what we're going to do. First, bring 3 equal samples of sand, silt, and clay soils. Spread out each sample on a white paper or a plate. Examine it by a magnifying glass. And let's see what we're going to notice. First, we will see that the particles of sand soil are large in size, but the particles of silt soil are medium in size, and the particles of clay soil are small in size. In the second activity, we're going to show the compactness between the particles of sand, silt, and clay soils. First, put 3 equal samples of clay, silt, and sand soils in 3 dishes. Second, add an amount of water to each sample. Then expose the 3 samples to the sun and air till they become dry. Third, try to crush each sample by your fingers. What do you notice? The particles of clay soil are very compacted, but the silt soil are medium in compactness, and the sand soil are weakly in compactness. Let's move to the third activity, the aeration and water absorption in sand, silt, and clay soils. The aeration and water absorption. First, get 3 similar glass tubes, A, B, and C, but these tubes are open from both ends. Second, cover one end of each tube with a piece of cloth as shown. Third, put in tube A an amount of sand soil and put in tube B the same amount of silt soil, and in tube C put the same amount but of clay soil. The fourth step is we're going to immerse the 3 covered ends of the 3 tubes at equal depths in a basin containing water. In this activity, we notice that water rises in the 3 tubes but at different levels. Water level in tube C is higher than in tubes B and A. Now we can say that the sand soil is well aerated soil, so it has low absorption of water, and the clay soil is poorly aerated soil, so it has highly absorption of water. And the silt soil is medium aerated soil, so it has medium absorption of water. If he asked you to give reason why the silt soil has a medium absorption of water, so your answer will be because it is a medium aerated soil. And the same thing we can do with the 2 other soils. Now let's move to the last property, which is the fertility of soil. We should know that the fertility of any type of soil depends on the percentage of humus in it. We will do the same experiment we did in lesson 1. We will put each type of soil in a graduated cylinder and then pour enough water in each cylinder. Shake each cylinder strongly and then leave it to stand for 15 minutes. We can see the components of each soil in each cylinder, and we notice that the cylinders contain different amount of humus. where the humus is large in silt soil, small in sand soil, and medium in clay soil. So the silt soil is highly fertile. Why? Because it is rich in humus. The clay soil is fertile. Why? Because it has a medium amount of humus. And the sand soil is less in fertility. Why? Because it is poor in humus. The last part we will talk about is soil and plants. Each type of soil suits certain kinds of plants, such as sand soil. Sand soil is suitable for plants that produce tuber, as potato and sweet potato, and plants which give fruits under soil, such as peanut plant, and other plants such as cactus. And for silt soil, it is suitable for the cultivation of some plants, such as strawberry, lemon, orange, and pomegranate. And for clay soil, it is suitable for the cultivation of some plants, such as cotton, rice, sugarcane, wheat, and many vegetables. In the end of our video, let's see together the different properties of the three different types of soil: sand soil, clay soil, and silt soil. Thank you for listening. Best of luck.